Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great way to water your lawn. I don't have a sprinkler system, so I'm always having to manually water with a hose, and this is a really fun device. So this was sent over by a company called ElectricWise, and it's just an ornamental sprinkler here. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It's just this nice little arm here. It is about 34 inches in length with about a 12 inches diameter as far as the sprinkler end, and then the stakes themselves, nice strong metal powder coated stakes here. These are about 7.5 inches. You can kind of rotate them here to get a nice little plus symbol, so that way it's nice and secure. You can have plenty of room to step on it, so it's easy to go in the soil. Now you're gonna notice it has on the connection point, standard hose fit with a nice little washer. These can be tethered from basically connected if you have multiple of them. Just go ahead and remove the little black plastic cap, and then you attach another hose, and then you can go ahead and attach multiple of them if you want to utilize them that well. Now, it's all made out of a copper coated stainless steel here, so it looks very, very nice. I have a little hummingbird design here in the middle. There are other options depending on what you want, but once water starts flowing through there, you're gonna notice the two rings rotate 360 degrees. They move with the water pressure. Now this thing can, depending on your water pressure, throw water up to about 30 feet away. There's all these little holes around here that makes it a nice little kind of water spray on them, and it just kind of spins between the two different rings. It's gonna cover up about a 700 square foot range, if you will, when utilizing them, but very, very easy. And then when it comes to putting them away for storage, you can just leave it like this because everything lays flat, or you can even untwist it and store it that way as well. But overall, like I said, if you're just looking for a great way to water your lawn, but also have a nice little pop of decoration, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.